Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Phase 2 Clone Trooper mask. It is a full mask that goes around your whole head because I'm tired of these Spirit Halloween ones where they chop off right in half. I think it looks so dumb, and this thing was pretty expensive. I'll put on screen how expensive it was. It was not cheap, but I've been wanting one of these for pretty much ever since I saw the movie. I thought, how cool would it be to have one in real life? But here I am today, finally getting one, and I want to share it with you guys. So without further ado, let's open this up. Alright, now we're going to open up like this. And you're going to see it's pretty compact in there. Not too much to see yet. Take this part off. Don't think there's anything in there. Chuck it. Who knows when I need this. Shows you all the stuff like how you can adjust it around your head. Actually, I might need that. Put that over there. Also this. More instructions. And now, we get to take this off. Alright, now we're going to take it out. Sorry to get my fingerprints all over this. Alright, and now we're going to do a 360 so you can see the whole thing. Starting off with the face, obviously. Then we're going to go to the side. The back, I'm pretty sure that's where you adjust. And the other side. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the inside as well. It's pretty cool. You got all the parts and stuff in here. Really cool. Surprised they would actually put that in there. You get to see where your head sits. And I'm pretty sure that's what you adjust. Alright, now for the next part of this unboxing, I'm going to show you how to electrically distort your voice, like a voice changer. So, to do that, you're going to need to put the batteries in. So, this piece goes in like this. See the little prongs, you just pull down, comes out like that. Then you have this little battery cover. You just get a small Phillips screwdriver, and then just take that out. Then, once you've done that, get your 3 AAA batteries, place them in, and then... Alright, now that the batteries are in, we're going to put these 2 pieces back in. Remember, put the battery packet thing on first, and then just push this piece up like this, and it'll go in. Now that the battery and the panel is secured, on the right side there's a button that turns on voice distortion. So when you press it in, you'll hear a noise, for instance, this. It's not a very loud noise, but you may notice that the speakers are on the back. Not sure where, I think it might be inside the helmet. But once you do that, your helmet is ready, and I'm going to show you what it would sound like when the voice distortion is on.
This completes the unboxing for the Star Wars Phase 2 Clone Trooper mask. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again next time.